Hello YouTube, this is Arafat and welcome to my channel Arafat Productions. In this Photoshop tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to place text behind an object or anything you want. Guys, can you tell me what is the two things you can never eat for breakfast? Well, think about it and don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you are new, press the bell icon because you will get the uploading notification in this way. Let's start it. We start with this beautiful car. We will try to place the text behind this car. This video is specially for beginner. That's mean I will teach you step by step slowly with more information. With the layer selected, click on horizontal type tool. Actually, it does not matter if you select the layer or if you does not, because the text layer is automatically create another layer, especially for text editing. We can make the text beautiful using it. So after click on this, use backspace to clean those text preset. Then type text that you want to add. After adding text, click on the text layer. We need to resize the scale. Press Ctrl+T for Mac, Command+T. Then scale it up, simply just dragging like this. Hold Shift, then again drag it to make it taller, because I am trying to match the text with the image. Now place it on your favorite place. Again hold Shift and drag it up a little bit. In my case, I place it here. Simply just click on the layer to save changes. Hide the text layer and I will name it car. Hit enter. I will make a copy of it by drag it on the layer option below. Go to select, subject. It will automatically select the car. This is a great way to start for beginner. You can see Photoshop done a great job on it. This selection is not perfect, so we need to manually adjust it. Select the quick selection tool, then click on this minus icon, then paint on this area. Again select plus icon and paint the subject area. Also here, give more time to make it accurate. It's look great. We don't need to completely accurate because unhide the text layer, so you can see this text only on the top and the middle side. That's why. Thanks me later. Let's hide it. Add a layer mask on it. Layer masking is a reversible way to hide parts of a layer. This gives you more editing flexibility than permanently erasing or deleting a part of a layer. Drag the text layer and place it under this layer. Make a copy of this text layer, then place it on the top of this layer. I change this layer name to soft look. Also, I will change this layer name to behind. Add a layer mask on the soft look text layer. Invert it so the text will be disappear. Press B on the keyboard for selecting the brush tool. Set the flow and opacity 100%. Use a square bracket to make the brush smaller or larger. Now start painting where there is writing. Do it slowly to make it accurate. I am making this video faster a little bit. It will save your important time. Set the opacity 56%. It's look great. If you want to add shadow of those text, you can add it on this way. Select the behind text layer. Right click on it. It will appear a new workplace. Click on drop shadow. Here play with angle, distance, opacity and other things. After done, hit OK. It's look pretty. Select those three layers and then make a group. I call it behind the object. This is the before, this is the after. We done a great job. Do subscribe, like, comment and share. Hope you stay with my channel. Before I go, I want to answer that question that I was asked beginning of this tutorial. What is the two things you can never eat for breakfast? The answer is lunch and dinner. Thank you for watching this video.